These are the nylon tension rod washers. This is a pack of 100 of them. These are the white ones here. And I got these guys for my touring kit because I was worried about marring up the hoops really bad, making them all nasty with the metal washer on my drum's tension rods. And I got these guys, and I gotta say they work phenomenally well. I've got a drum here, and this is just off of one of my teaching kits, but if you notice, you can stick the nylon washer right here underneath the metal washer on the tension rod. And one really cool thing about this, not only is it protecting your hoop and your tension rod from getting all messed up, it actually makes it way easier to tension this thing down. You can see how much I'm cranking it down, and it's not hanging up at all. It really makes it easy to tune these guys without any type of scratching or nasty sound. So if you're looking for a solid pack of nylon washers, these guys are awesome. They are thick enough to where I'm not worried about this breaking at all under any type of tension when I'm playing heavy, but they're also thin enough to where they're not difficult to put on or manage. So if you're in the market for some nylon tension rod protectors, really, nylon, they work. They protect the hoop. They make it easier to use. They make it easier to tune. So if you're looking for these guys, I would heavily recommend this brand. They're awesome, and you get a pack of 100 all at once.